I have come across the German Bavarian Cream, a classic dessert that is rich, smooth and elegant. Let's see how to make this traditional recipe. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over the cold milk and let it set for about 5 minutes to bloom. Now whip the heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks and keep in the fridge. Add hot milk to the soaked gelatin and mix it well. Keep it aside to cool. Now mix together the sugar powder, egg yolks, vanilla extract until the mixture is pale and thick. Gradually pour the gelatin milk into the mixture, whisking consistently to prevent from curdling. About 2 to 3 minutes. Gently fold the whipped cream into the custard mixture until nicely mixed. Pour the Bavarian cream into serving bowl, cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight until set. Serve the Bavarian cream chilled, garnish with fresh berries or berry sauce. Enjoy the traditional Bavarian cream dessert. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Bye.